Introduction to Services and Dependency Injection. In this session, we'll explore the concept of services and dependency injection in Angular. Services are a fundamental building block of Angular applications, used to encapsulate and share functionality throughout different parts of the application. Dependency injection is a powerful design pattern that enables you to inject dependencies into components, making your code modular, reusable, and easy to maintain. What are services? Services are classes in Angular that are responsible for providing specific functionality to different parts of the application. They serve as a way to organize and share code that is not directly related to the user interface. Services can be used for various purposes, such as handling data retrieval, performing HTTP requests, managing application state, and more. Why use services? Using services helps to keep your components lean and focused on the user interface logic. By delegating specific tasks to services, you can maintain a separation of concerns in your application, making it easier to manage and scale as it grows. Creating a service. To create a service, you define a TypeScript class with the injectable later. This decorator marks the class as injectable, allowing it to be used with dependency injection. Dependency injection. Dependency injection is a design pattern in which a class receives its dependencies from an external source, rather than creating them internally. In Angular, the dependency injection mechanism is built in and handles the injection of services into components, modules, and other services. Injecting services into components. To use a service in a component, you need to inject it into the component's constructor. Angular's dependency injection system will automatically provide an instance of the service when the component is created. Providing services. Angular provides services at the application level using providers. You can configure the providers in the root module, app module, or at the component level, using the service throughout the application. Once the service is provided at the root level, you can use it throughout your application by injecting it into any component, service, or other providers. Services and dependency injection play a crucial role in building scalable and maintainable Angular applications. Services help to organize and share functionality, while dependency injection provides a seamless way to inject dependencies into components and other parts of the application.